This 1 Degree Outside video is sponsored by Fiesta Shows. Have fun with the whole family June 19th through 22nd at the Acton Lions Club Carnival with Fiesta Shows. It's rides, games, fried dough, the works, and every ticket supports local scholarships and programs. Skip the ticket line and save with promo code 1degree at fiesta.onedegreeoutside.com.
Well, did you catch that? Carnival rides and a coupon code to save you money. We are psyched to be partnered with Fiesta Shows, and you will be seeing and hearing more from them in the weeks to come on our app and website. Let's dive into insights. Showers and storms Tuesday, localized flooding possible. We'll break that down. Warm Wednesday and Thursday into the 80s, and then cooler for this upcoming weekend, but cool this time of the year is a little different, right? High temperatures likely to be in the 60s. The coastline a little cooler with that onshore breeze. Now, tomorrow's weather is going to be driven by this cold front sliding through the Great Lakes today, little wave of low pressure down to our south. So that will sweep through and be the trigger for showers and thunderstorms for our Tuesday afternoon, especially. That's driven at the upper levels by this big counterclockwise spin, this big upper level low. But I've got a zoomed out view here because I actually want to show you a little bundle of energy that's north and east of Hawaii today, believe it or not. In the Pacific, watch it too as it comes into the west coast and then dives into the northern plains, slides east so that by the time we get to Friday into Saturday, it's over the northeast. But if you've watched this Insights video before, you've seen that we show the atmospheric energy at the upper levels. And you see a trough and you see a dip in the jet stream. You see oranges and reds. That's not the case for this upcoming weekend. While there are these little pieces of energy nearby and some to our south, that tells me I'm not overly concerned with a widespread rain on Saturday that will linger. There may be a chance for showers, and I'll give you a little sneak peek at that coming up. Meanwhile, tomorrow with the cold front coming in, there will be some thunderstorms up and down the eastern seaboard if you're traveling, most likely here from southern Jersey back down into the Carolinas and even far southeast Georgia. For us, yes, we're in this lighter green, isolated rumbles of thunder, but not anticipating widespread severe weather. The front pushes offshore. We get a little break in the action Wednesday, Thursday, up into the 80s in many spots. But another cold front comes in and starts to slowly stall out. That may focus a couple of showers late in the day on Thursday in far southwestern New England. So let's time out our Tuesday, right? Morning drive is going to be dry in many areas. There will be some areas of rain shifting out of New York into Vermont by the time we get to mid to late morning. Yes, there are some downpours in here. So that's my concern with these slow movers that come in through the morning and afternoon. Some localized flooding may result. Poor drainage areas, low-lying areas, the ground saturated in spots. By noontime, it's raining in many areas. Through early to mid-afternoon, sliding east, western New England, already starting to see the back edge come in. There'll still be some pockets of rain around for the evening commute, especially if you're an earlier commuter towards the evening hours. And then areas of rain will linger in Maine between about 6 and 8 p.m., but it's just an isolated shower, maybe a stray rumble of thunder that sweeps through during the late evening as the back edge comes in and then clears us out for a Wednesday for a beautiful summer-like day for the middle part of the week. That's as the cold front comes in and again slows down as it makes its way offshore. So by Thursday, we get some increase in clouds, maybe a stray shower, but a lot of the day is dry. Here's the deal on Friday and Saturday. And again, I don't want you to kind of look at this map and say, oh no, this is exactly where it's going to be placed. We're several days out. But there's two things at play here. Remember I showed you that upper level energy. At the surface, there's also area of high pressure, that blue H on the map, that's going to be trying to battle back across eastern Canada and win out with some dry air. So it's going to be a matter of where that high builds in, how quickly it builds in, and where the placement of that front is. If you can imagine this front, maybe even 20, 30 miles farther south, some of the showers may be farther south as well, with that northeast wind coming in off the ocean, kind of drying us out. So yes, there's a chance of showers on Saturday, but we will keep you posted on how that evolves in the days to come. Meantime, Sox forecast, if you're headed down to Fenway for Tuesday evening or Wednesday, there will be some showers still around on Tuesday, but the heaviest rain will be over. Temperatures running in the 60s. Wednesday's a gorgeous day at the ballpark. Highs in the upper 70s, west-southwest breeze, plenty of sunshine, and only cooling back slightly after the sunset. So fantastic day to be out at the ballpark. 60s and 70s for our Tuesday. It will be humid. You'll notice that as the dew points climb, and then that drier air comes in as the front clears the coast and the skies clear out for Tuesday night. Lows drop back into the 50s to around 60. And then by the time we get to Wednesday, we are talking highs right around or over 80. Humidity's in check. Top 10 weather day, in my opinion. Wind out of the west-southwest may be just light enough that some local sea breezes will kick in at the coastline. Thursday, we should go 80 to 85 in spots, 70s in far northern New England. Thursday will feature more clouds that will build in the sky, and the west-southwest breeze should push us even into the 70s on Cape Cod. You can track it all, of course, on our app, which is free in the App Store and Google Play. The interactive radar sponsored by CrackX. Videos right at the top. And don't forget our merchandise. You can check that out too. Gift cards on there as well at swag.onedegreeoutside.com.